Hello, welcome to Teacher Care Crate. My name is Maritza, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you this month's theme for September 2022 Teacher Care Crate. As soon as you open your self-care crate, you will find the info card, and the info card has all the information on the back side of what's inside with details about each item. This month's theme is a wildflower harvest, and it's about filling with items to inspire your inner teacher wild side. When you find yourself in a field of roses, be a wildflower. And as you can see, it's all about the wildflower. So let's go ahead and jump right in to see all the goodies that are inside. The first thing I have here is the art print for this month, and it's just a beautiful reminder that all good things are wild and free. And as you can see, it's a bouquet of flowers there. And on the back side, there are some lines there for you to write on as well, for happiness blooms from within. On the bottom side, there's a little blurb about the author, about the artist. And the next thing I have here is a nourishing lip gel. This is a fun star nourishing lip gel, if you can see it there. It has all these little little stars there for nourishing your lips. And I have another item here that is also for your lips, and it is a lip gloss. This lip gloss is a rose extract, and it's a sass color. I'll take it out for you to see it. It looks like this, a beautiful color, and as you can see, it's very glossy, and it's just this beautiful rose color. The next thing I have here is a headband. This headband is a flowery headband, and it actually fits so perfectly with my outfit today, but it is a knotted headband, so it is so easy to put on and very like bohemian look to it. And as you can, it's a perfect accessory for a polished look. All right, the next thing I have here is this bangle blooming keychain. This keychain is perfect for keeping all of your keys and all of the things that you need in one place, and just perfect so that you don't lose it. And I'll open it up. As you can see, it is very beautiful. It's this beautiful flowery look to it, wooden beaded bangle bracelet, and it has a little keychain here for your keys and for any other accessories that you need. Just a lovely floral silicone. The next thing I have here is the sweet treat of this month is a Dutch caramel waffle. It's a classic caramel taste to it. Perfect for a little treat in the classroom. The next thing I have here is this cute little box, and in this cute little box is a flower necklace. It's a wildflower necklace, and it actually opens up. It might be a little hard to see there, but it actually opens up, and it has a little message inside that says, "Teachers plant the seed." And it also closes up for when you wear it. It looks like just the sunflower there. So it looks like this, and it has this beautiful gold tone to it. The last thing I have here is a awesome citation notepad, and this is such a fun way to share with other people how awesome they are being, and you can write on here to and from, and it has a little PS note there, and just a little way of just sharing the inspiration with other people. And then these are some of the digital downloads. I've printed out a couple of them for you to see. This is one of them. It says self-care is not selfish, and it comes in this wonderful flower details clip art. And these are wonderful to use in the classroom. You can use them for yourself, your own home. This one says you are enough, and there is one that says protect your peace. There are some with a little bit more of a detail of clipboard for be kind to yourself with little beads to it, and welcome, self-love is the best love, with a little clip art right there as well. There are tons of options as well for you to pick from, and you can print them right from your own home or share them with others. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Down below in the description box is all the details for you to get your own Teacher Care Crate for September 2022, as well as where you can find us on other social media platforms. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.